everyone. Welcome to Maker Monday.
We are going to do a quick introduction to Adobe Photoshop Elements 2021 version. So this is the homepage that you will get whenever you click onto Adobe Photoshop Elements. So this is 3 different parts that you will see down here. So like this is just basic tips of how to edit your photos. You also see that in another window in this section right here. So first we have Organizer. This is where you store your video. You store your photos and videos, and you can organize that by either tags, facial recognition, and or object tags. Video editors, where you can go in and edit your videos as well and make like custom videos to showcase. Let's say you want to have a product you want to showcase, then you can do so here. And what we're going to work in today is Photo Editor. So I'm actually going to show you how to open this in the main menu for Adobe Photoshop Elements. So we are going to start with up here. So this is where you will open. You can either open new, blank file, and you can enter your sizes. Make sure whenever you're working in Adobe Elements that you always have a resolution of 300 ppi. Well, not 3000, 300. And so that way you have the highest quality image in or workspace of what you're working in. So I'm going to cancel this. And this is where you can open a file that's existing in an image next. So this is the image I have downloaded. We're going to open. So this is the image, and this is the workspace. So let's just say you have multiple pictures, the multiple images that you want to work with. You can open them up as well right through here. And let's just say I want to get a quick image, another image, let's just say, of a puppy. Save as, save. This is the image that we have open. The next thing you need to learn, and is very important in Photoshop, is layers. So this is the background layer. It always is important to work in layers so you don't do destructive editing. So what I always do is duplicate the background layer. So you always have a base layer to work from. So this is your background, and it's locked. This is your background copy. So you can actually change the name right here. So let's just say we want to do base layer. So you know this is where you'll be working from originally.
Layers are extremely important when you start to work in Photoshop, so learning how to create new layers and organizing them are key. Thank you so much, Michaela, for your help with Adobe Photoshop Elements. Now, let's take it over to Ty.
So right now I'm on the home screen. So the first thing that we will look at is what Photoshop can be used for. So it's a versatile program that can be used for the editing and retouching of digital photos. It can do many tasks ranging from minor color corrections to removing and replacing of elements within the photo. So quick look around the home screen right now. As you can see along the left hand side we have some different tools. Right hand side will show any layers, and we'll talk about that here in a minute. And again, we have some more effects, filters, and tools down here along the bottom. So to import a photo, we will go to File and Open, and then import a picture. So then what we can do is select parts of the photo. So up here we have our selection tools. So like for instance, we have the Quick Selection tool, which will select things based on color. We have a lasso tool, which can create a custom shape, or we could just use a simple rectangle. So we would select the part of the image that we want to edit. Then we could create a layer up top here. And based on what we want to do to that selection, we would select the corresponding option. So for instance, if we wanted to change the brightness or the contrast of the selected part, we would click that. Then we can adjust it accordingly. You can see it's only adjusting the brightness and contrast within the selected part of the image. Now where this would really come into play is maybe if you have like a photo of a person and you really want to focus on them, you would select just the person, not select the background, and then you can adjust the brightness, contrast, or any of the other options just with that part of the image. So the adjustments, they can do quite a few different things, including color, highlights, shadows, and much more. And again, it all depends on which of the layer adjustments that you choose. So now, to save a file, we can just go to File and Save As. and that's going to save the project. So you can see this PSD. That's going to be the file that you can come back to and edit later. But if you are ready to export it, we would change the format instead of Photoshop to probably JPEG, but of course PNG and TIFF also are good options. And then this is going to be what exports the final file. Again, just give it a name, save location, and then you can save it to the computer. So Photoshop, again, those are just some of the basics. It can do quite a bit, and a lot of it really just is a matter of playing around with those basics and then accomplishing what you hope to accomplish. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creativespace.